To get the best body benefits that last for life and the most out of exercise, the way to do it is to integrate from the core.
Back is lengthening, front is contracting.
And that's the purpose and mission of our core integration fitness and body wellness program. To demonstrate the fourth path, it looks like a three-path, but the standing leg is the opposite leg this time. The muscles on the right hip, in this case, contract, but the force is going up the left side. Again, just as in the number 3. So why would we want to do this? Wait and see. You'll soon realize that this movement simulates walking. It's the gateway to more advanced moving and actions such as walking, running, jumping, swimming, and therefore gaining more strength for the same amount of time. Notice how she's crossing her arm. One arm will come on top, and then the other arm will come on top, just to create a little balance. Notice the deep core front path and back path connections. You can open and you can close. You can spread and lift. Notice how the shoulders come closer together and down. It's important not to let the shoulders ride high and lose your neck. We've added in some more adventurous movements for you to see what you can do with the fitness band. Here's an example of a thrusting leg toward the ceiling. Notice the turning of the hip and leg. Here is an example of a beautiful lateral bend, really getting long. Extraordinary coil spring responses in the body. Opening the hips and rotating and arching the back. Strong back exercise. Powerful. Coming up, strong front exercise. Number 2, strong back exercise. Number 1. Using fitness bands, you have a gym in your pocket to do exercises anywhere, anytime, any place. Coils and springs make it stronger.
A comprehensive program of integrated movement exercises using fitness bands. Designed to build core strength, this DVD or MP4 for download teaches the primary core movement pathways of your body. These exercises are done primarily in a standing position and improve flexibility, fitness, and posture, based on the work of Dr. Moshe Feld and Gray. Our program includes core back path, core front path, core spiral turning path, core diagonal spiral path, core lateral path, shoulder arm paths, leg hip spine excursions, advanced integrated exercises, pocket band exercises. Purchase link on the description below.